In today's gospel, Jesus warns us about the dangers of wealth. Jesus never says that wealth is evil, that material possessions are evil, because everything comes from God, and everything that God made is good. But Jesus does tell us time and again that wealth, though good, is also dangerous. And the danger of wealth is that it can make us believe that we can somehow make it without God. That we can somehow think or say to ourselves, I did this. I accumulated what I have. It's all about me. Wealth can also make it more difficult for us to share what we have. When we have wealth, it's a temptation to want to hoard it, to keep it all to ourselves. Jesus reminds us that it's important to be humble, to have the humility to know that everything we have comes from God. Our wealth, our health, our friends and families, whatever success we might have, in fact, our very life comes from God. And so Jesus says two things to us about our wealth. Number one, be grateful for what we have. Give thanks to God always for the gifts that we have been given. And number two, always be ready and willing to share what we have with those in need.